It's 1 p.m. local time, and we are deep in London. Probably 2.5 hours to 2.5 hours to New York session. I've decided to place another pending order on AUDJPY, a long trade. And let me go through the reasoning behind this trade that I've just placed. It's a pending order yet, so it hasn't been triggered. So on trading view, this trade it was generally determined by H1 and H4. So for the last few days, H4 has been ranging between this zone and this zone. So generally the market is ranging. So this one is a support, and this one is a supply. I mean a resistance. This is resistance. So when I was going through trades that probably I'd like to take either later in the New York or during this London session, I was going through various charts, and I saw this opportunity on AUDJPY. So I started on H4, and I realized first H4 is in a range, and D1, I mean H1, is doing the same thing. It's ranging between this zone, and this zone has been touched a number of times here, and for the third time. This actually confirms that this is ranging here. In short, the zone has been touched multiple times. So this confirms that really the market is ranging on AUDJPY. So, and then now I have to look at other features why I'm decided to take that trade there. So let me just remove this one to allow me explain other parts of this trade. When the price came here, which was the day before yesterday, this was yesterday, this is the day before yesterday, the price was rejected from this support with momentum, creating a supply zone, and the confirmation of the supply zone was marked by taking out of this high. So this was confirmed demand zone. Then the price today came back to this order block. So this is a supply zone on H1, I mean demand zone on H1. So this is H1, demand zone. So let me just remove this one for clarity. Already I've demonstrated the support behind that. So now after that, I go back to the lower time frame. And see how to get in. So one thing, the price attempted to go through this supply zone for the first time, failed, came back here. On the second attempt, the price came and then it was rejected. Let me just also remove this one for visibility. Now it was rejected again. Now I'm seeing now a double bottom, whereby this is the first bottom, this is the second bottom. Now after this pattern, I want to go and see H1, whether H1 closed, supporting my direction. And as you can see, the first attempt, this first red candle failed, a green one, a bullish one was formed. Another price came and it was pushed upward, causing a hammer to form. So that for me is a confirmation that I need to get in, but I don't want to disregard this order block here, because it broke this. This is more of a supply. It broke this low, which means it's likely to be a valid order block. Not sure if the price will go back into resistance zone here, but in terms of targeting, I don't want to disregard it. So what I have decided is to placing a pending order here to reduce my stop loss size and target a place that is before this supply zone. And here, as you can see, is 2 to 2, 1 to 2.4, probably now 1 to 2.3, if you consider the fact that there's probably some commissions and spreads. So it hasn't been triggered, but if the price comes back here, the determination was on the basis of my target and probably 50% of that candle, then I'll get in. So if it's triggered during my review, I'm going to post. If it's not triggered, then we'll continue looking for other trades. Thank you, and please subscribe and share and be part of this journey. We are growing together, we are learning. I'm still a student. I've started seeing some form of profitability, so let's journey together. Thank you, and bye bye.